Removing members on the Discord group chat is pretty simple. All you need to do is having admin rights or something like that, or maybe creator of group chat. So first of all, you need to open your Discord application. Just open it. You don't need to do anything else. Now you will have to go to the group chat that you want to remove members from. After getting it, you can see on the right side there are members. Just right click on them, and what you need to do is just click on remove from group button, or just above the make group owner button. Remember, it's just above the make group owner button. After clicking it, the person would be left will leave the group, and that's how it's simple. So all you need to do is just remove the person from the group chat. So this was how you can do it on the Discord. Discord is pretty basic chat application which can help you to talk with your friends, family, and even colleagues. So I'll see you in the next one.